Alright, hello everyone. This is Brobotix. I'm an electrical engineer. I have a bachelor's and master's degree in electrical engineering. I do a lot of PCB design and Altium and embedded software, Arduino projects, Twitch projects. So I wanted to make a quick tutorial here. First, I'll do the main thing and obviously plug my stuff. So yeah, I'm Brobotix 0x57 on Twitch. Obviously, you're watching this on YouTube. I'm on Instagram, so make sure if you like the stream content or science content, anything about electronics, give me a follow. I really appreciate it. All right, so for today's project, let me pull up the right window. I was doing a design for a PCB, and I came across an interesting problem that I found a pretty cool solution to that I wanted to make a quick tutorial on. I have this ribbon connector here that I wanted to use. This is a 4-position, so it's a small ribbon cable. But the problem is, even if you pull this part number up from the manufacturer website and download the step file, if we open up this file into Fusion, so I create a new project here. I'm pulling in this F519, which comes as a zip file from the website. So if you click the step file link here to download it, it'll make a step file, you export it, and this is where I'm at for Fusion. You can see even though I wanted the 4-part, it came with a 20-part. I did scour the manufacturer website, I could not find a 4-part, so I need to figure out a way to use this because I really wanted the model to be an Altium. So first step we're going to do is we're going to break this link. This is going to be a new part, so we don't want it to link to the old step file for anything. Once that's done, click on the Activate Component button. Now where you have this activated, this trick does not work if you have the top level clicked. So now we're going to create a sketch on the top of this part. It actually flipped it around, that's fine. So we're going to do a rectangle. This has to cover the whole part and the pins, doesn't matter the size of it. We want it to be just in the area of the part we're trying to cut out essentially. So I want 4 pins, so I move the rectangle inside a little bit. I'm going to do some construction lines in the center of this pin. So I'm going to draw a construction line, doesn't matter the length. I'm going to fix it in that position. Again, I'm going to repeat the same thing on this side. This, and we're going to fix the position. If we go back to the browser, we can see the pitch on this is 1 millimeter. So if we're trying to simulate cutting out everything and keeping the pitch constraints, what we're going to want to do is dimension this rectangle from here to here to be half the pitch. So I can do 0.5. If it's a more complicated number, you can actually put math inside of Fusion. So if we know the pitch is 1, we can just simply do 1 divided by 2. Divided by 2. And it'll do the math for us. Just like that. Okay, now we got that. We can extrude, and we need to grab if it's sections, you gotta grab all 3 sections, you gotta pull it, drag it through the part, and you want it to actually be a new body. Down here in the drop down is new body. Now that's done, what we're gonna do is split it. So we're gonna modify split body. You either can click each body separately, or if you go down to your tree setup, there's 2 bodies here now. So body 2 splits your main step file. The splitting tool is the block we just created. You hit split. What that'll do is it'll still show the old one, so it might not look like it works, but if you hide those 2, you get 2 new bodies here. Next, what you need to do is you need to make these parts touch to make the combine work. So if you do modify and align here, from one side to the next, like that, and make sure bodies are clicked up here for object. So that'll basically just pull the bodies together. And then if you click the 2 bodies and do combine, you can, or you can come in here and just do the selections here. And then you can do join. You can make a new component if you want to here, or you can leave them both blank and hit OK. And that's it. Now that is a good representation of the connector as a 4-position that did not exist before. So yeah, so that's pretty much it for this tutorial. I wanted this to be short and sweet. Just trying to get my feet wet a little bit more with using Adobe and getting videos up, and I knew this would be kind of a useful tool for people. So that's it. So I will be posting more, mixture of modeling, programming, and all TM design, a little bit of everything. So come back, follow, leave comments, questions, something you want to see. I'm open to anything. So all right, I'll see you guys later. Peace.